Ever wondered how wonderful it would be to pluck fresh, juicy tomatoes straight from your garden? Or perhaps the thought of savoring a home-cooked meal with ingredients you've grown yourself sparks joy. Today, we dive into the exciting world of tomato gardening. No matter if you're a seasoned green thumb or a budding gardener, this guide will equip you with all you need to know about growing your very own tomato garden. First things first, choosing the right variety of tomato to plant is crucial. From beefsteak to cherry tomatoes, each variety has its own unique taste and growth requirements. For beginners, cherry tomatoes are a great choice due to their hardiness and relatively short growing period. Once you've selected your tomato variety, it's time to plant the seeds. Start indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last spring frost. Fill small pots with seed compost and plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep. Water them lightly and place them in a warm spot, preferably with plenty of sunlight. As the seedlings grow, ensure they get plenty of light. Rotate the pots regularly to prevent the plants from leaning towards the light. Once the risk of frost has passed and the seedlings have grown to about 3 inches tall, they're ready to be transplanted outdoors. Choose a sunny spot in your garden for your tomato plants. They thrive in 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Dig a hole deep enough to bury 2/3 of the plant, as this encourages a strong root system. Don't forget to water the plants thoroughly after transplanting. Tomato plants require regular watering, but be mindful not to overwater. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply but infrequently. A layer of organic mulch around the base of the plants can help retain moisture and discourage weeds. As the plants grow, they might need some support. A sturdy stake or tomato cage can keep the plants upright, ensuring the fruits don't touch the ground and become susceptible to pests and diseases. Now you might be thinking, why go through all this trouble for tomatoes? Well, aside from the satisfaction of growing your own food, tomatoes are packed with health benefits. They're rich in vitamins A and C and are a great source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. And let's not forget the culinary delights you can create with your homegrown tomatoes. From a classic bruschetta to a tangy salsa, the possibilities are endless. To summarize, growing tomatoes requires choosing the right variety, starting the seeds indoors, transplanting them outdoors after the last frost, providing plenty of sunlight, watering regularly but not excessively, and supporting the plants as they grow. In return, you get fresh, healthy tomatoes and the satisfaction of growing your own food. So, why not give tomato gardening a try? It might just become your new favorite hobby. Remember, every great gardener started with a single seed. Happy gardening!